Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your active status on Wizz. First, open the Wizz app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Once you are inside the app, tap the profile icon. This is usually at the top or bottom of your screen. Now tap on setting. In setting, look for privacy or account privacy. Here, check if you see an option like show active status, online status or active status. If you see this option, turn it off. This usually hides your online even while you are using the app. Next, go back to the settings, tap on notifications, turn off notifications. Someone saw you online, active alerts or similar activity notification. This helps to reduce sign that you are active. There is no safe third-party app that hides your status. Never give your Wizz password to any website or app. Only use the official Wizz setting. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.